It's Sassy Beauty 69, and today is Thursday, April 2nd, and I'm still having my relapse. And I wanted to do a video on what are your symptoms from relapse. My symptoms, I also suffer from asthma, and it's in the morning. It's 8:27 a.m. So I also have asthma, so I have to use my nebulizer, which is here on my bedside table, as soon as I'm done doing my video. The only thing about the nebulizer, it makes me shaky, so I decided to do my video of my symptoms prior I decided to do the video first prior to doing my treatment. After I did my video, I was extremely fatigued, which I'm still very tired. I woke up this morning at 4:14 a.m. Usually I have trouble falling back asleep. I have to take something in order to go back to sleep, but I fell asleep without having to take something because I was so fatigued. I woke back up at 7, a little after 7, and I had to check my email to see if there was anything important for me to do. And I haven't gone back to sleep, but I'm trying. My symptoms are, I have a stomach ache or stomach pain, extreme full body pain, cold touch. I'm extremely cold. I'm under 2 comforters, a throw and flannel sheet, and I'm extremely cold. Cold to touch, by touching my skin. I'm under a great deal of stress, loss of appetite, and I'm just, like I said, extremely fatigued. I don't have any desire to do anything, no motivation. I'm just want to stay in bed and just sleep, and it's difficulty to sleep, but I'm tired. If I could just, the issue is I probably could just sleep all day, but I have a lot on my mind, and once I turn off the TV, I will fall asleep. But with the TV on, I'm so nosy and afraid I'm going to miss something, then I don't sleep. But as long as I turn everything off, I will sleep and just sleep. But as far as the pain, my pain levels are extremely high. But as I mentioned, I don't take anything for the pain. I've been too lazy to make the marijuana tea that I had mentioned, which helps. But like I said, I don't even feel like getting out of bed to even make the tea. But I may have to today. I mean, the pain is so extreme. It's in my hips, my knees, behind my knees, my thighs, my lower back, my head, my arms, behind my elbows, my wrists, my hands, my head, my ears are ringing. The pain in my hips is so intense. It's like someone is taking electric shocks and just keep continually shocking me. So I want to know when you have your relapse, what are your symptoms? Please do a video response or comment below and tell me when you relapse, what are your symptoms? And those of you that suffer from Lyme disease, I'm curious because The people that I've known that suffer from Lyme disease, including my stepson and people I've known, ex-boyfriend that was diagnosed with Lyme disease, was temporary. They put them on antibiotics and they were fine. They were cured. If you have Lyme disease and you're suffering for a long period of time, is it because you were diagnosed too late? And is it the reason why you have the same symptoms as us with fibromyalgia and multiple sclerosis? Why is your Lyme disease symptoms the same as fibromyalgia? I'm curious to know, because I've seen people suffer with Lyme disease with the similar symptoms, but they were temporary. They were put on antibiotics and they were cured later. It was just for a couple of months. Lately, I've watched Beverly Hills Housewives, and I've seen how, I can't think of her name at the moment. I just call her the Duchess. I can't think of her name. I love her dearly, how she's been fighting with Lyme disease, and she's so sick. And they just talked about today on the news a singer that's been fighting with Lyme disease is in bed for 5 months, and her mother had to fly to her to take care of her. So I'm just curious about Lyme disease. I didn't know that it was so severe, because the people that I've known with it has only had it for a short term. So for those of you, or if you know someone that is suffering with Lyme disease, please also do a video response or leave a comment. I'm interested to know about it, because they test me all the time to see if I have Lyme disease, and my test has always come back negative. In any event, please respond to my video journal by either commenting or doing a video response on what are your symptoms when you relapse. I would greatly appreciate it. This is the first time in a while since I've done a video journal with a relapse, because I haven't had a relapse in a while. It will be greatly appreciated. We learn from each other, educate others. And again, this is my true reality. There's nothing fake about it. It's very painful and very discouraging. Thanks for watching as always. God bless you. Thank you for your support. I love you. This is Sassy Beauty. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter.